Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Everybody, today we will take a look at the euro currency, since market shows some action that not corresponds to patterns that have been formed in the weekly chart that we have discussed in the weekly research. If you remember, we have said that this market has jumped up from the monthly pivot support one and has created a couple of stop grabbers. It probably should continue to move higher until in this scenario will be valid and the market will not taking out the lows of this grabber. And right now market stands very close to these lows. So you can see all during the recent couple of weeks market gradually is showing the downward action. And in general right now market shows some bearish signs that put under question the possible upward action. And in fact, if we wouldn't have on the horizon the new non-farm payrolls release, I would say that probably we can't count anymore on the bullish reversal here, and we can't bet on the possible upward acceleration. But having the non-farm payrolls release on the horizon, we probably anything could happen, especially if the numbers will be bad. Still, taking in consideration how market has responded on Friday on the really bad numbers of the wages growth, initially that was the very strong reaction, but later market has dropped lower, closed, and then effect has been vanished. And in recent sessions market just erased this candle totally. So that's why on non-farm payrolls also could happen something on that sort. Besides, yesterday, as you know, the member of the Fed committee has said that it will vote for rate hiking on September, as he is a voting member, and that really supports the US dollar. As you remember, our yesterday's setup on the Canadian dollar initially has started to work. So when I was in the office yesterday in the evening, I see that market has reached the resistance and started to move down. I mean the Canadian dollar. But later, when the comments have been published, the dollar has risen across the board, and our setup on the Canadian dollar USD has failed. So, taking into consideration these comments and the recent action on the euro currency, we probably could say that the only miracle could turn market, I mean the euro currency, to the upside, and this miracle probably will be some negative surprise in the new farm payrolls data. But taking a look at the technical picture shows that situation on euro currency mostly is bearish rather than bullish. Here are the things that we have. First of all, take a look at the trend. Trend is tending to shift to the bearish side. The bearish trend hasn't been confirmed yet, since this candle hasn't closed yet, but if it will be closed, the trend will shift bearish. Second, take a look at this retracement. This was harmonic retracements. Here was as well, but as soon as market has completed it, it hasn't continued to move higher at the normal retracement that we have discussed, and we will have to have taken the long position. Recall our trade on Friday. We have taken the long right before the skyrocket action. Market just continue to move lower. Take a look at the monthly pivot point. As soon as the monthly pivot point has been tested, market has failed to close above it and continue to move lower. Right now it stands very close to the monthly pivot support one. This doesn't look bullish, because if market has completed some significant targets and patterns on the high time frame charts. As soon as this has happened, the market is really bullish. It could show a reasonable retracement, but right now, and turn to the upside. But right now we do not see that retracement is over. this market just continue to move lower. Besides, we have the tendency of the higher highs and lower lows, and this is typical for the bearish trend. As you can see, we do not see any reversal swing, so we do not see that market has created higher high. And the low highs and low lows are falling down. So this too deep retracement, that in fact this is too deep action to call just a retracement. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that market also has failed to break through this trend line. Recall what we said. Maybe we will get the head and shoulders pattern here as soon as market has accelerated here on Friday, but market wasn't able even to pass through it. Just hasn't done any attempt to do this. Just reached this trend line and failed and continue to move lower. Finally, third moment, trend is bearish here as well. And the third moment here is take a look at the weekly pivot point. Market has tested it, again has failed, return right back down, and right now take a look, it even moves below the weekly pivot support one. That's really also bearish sign. So what we could expect in the nearest future? Well, probably market could show some downward development because we have these butterflies forming. If market will pass through this area, the stops that have been triggered on the daily chart below these lows will lead to the acceleration down. And market really could complete this butterflies 127 extension approximately around 107.15 area. So this will be the 127 extension of the butterfly, and take a look inner A, B, C, top D patterns 1618 extension. So that is our short-term target. This will happen, could happen of course, if we will not get any bad surprise on non-farm payrolls release. Actually guys, as soon as the ADP report will be published, we will get very good approximation for non-farm payrolls data, and we will see based on the ADP report what we could get on the non-farm payrolls numbers. So on the hourly chart, in today's session, we probably could get some bounce, because take a look, market has completed this ABCD pattern right now. Maybe it could dive slightly lower to complete the butterfly as well. So here we guys also have this minor butterfly pattern with the target is around 108.30 approximately. So maybe market will hit it, and then we could show some bounce, but this will be just tactical retracement if it will happen at all of course. After that, market probably will continue to move lower, because take a look here, we see some acceleration down, and we see that the price action a bit faster than it should be based on this trend line. So that's why retracement could happen, but after that, so probably we will see the downward continuation. So recent action, that's been said, recent action mostly shows the bearish signs, and the behavior of the price is not quite natural for the reversal, for the market that stands on the reversal to the upside. It's not a reversal, guys. And currently, as soon as market has passed through the major support area, so recall here was our entry on last week on Friday. This was fast acceleration. As soon as market has passed through the all fib supports, major fib supports on the 4-hour time frame chart, this was also the major 618 support here. As soon as market has passed through it, so it's nothing, and in fact stands on the way of the market to the downside. That's why overall action right now looks mostly bearish, and chances that market will continue with lower seems greater than some reversal. And again, if we will not get any bad data on the farm payrolls for this.